Hi, my name is Joshua Gillum. I am the Chief Executive Officer of Armur Medical, but not only that, I'm also a patient. Today, I want to come to you and just give a little bit about my testimony about how I came into this industry and how I became a patient of Dr. Guy Domm. About the year 2022, I had my yearly physical, as we all do whenever we approach our 50s, and the doctor did all my blood work. I saw them, did my physical, and about a week later, I got a call back, and they had given me the news that my testosterone level had dropped. And in my situation, it had not just dropped, but it had severely dropped. And where an average man my age would be between 375 and upwards of 600-700, my testosterone levels were 190. My free testosterone level was a 5.6. And I can tell you what that means. That means that every area of my life had been impacted. My energy level was down. My drive was down. In the afternoons, I would crash. Just every area of my life just began to suffer from just this lack of the raw material that helped me be me. My doctor had wanted to refer me over to urology, but I had known Dr. Guy Domm for about 2 decades. We were good friends as he was going through medical school, and then after medical school, when he became a doctor, our friendship continued. He began to do bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, had spoke to me about it in the past, but like a lot of people, I had my own ideas about what that really meant. Wasn't really interested in steroids and getting all pumped up, so I just kind of put that on the back shelf and never really engaged with it until my primary care physician had let me know that my own levels of testosterone were extremely low. So I gave Dr. Domm a call, and he jumped right in there with me, helped me to understand what it meant to have a low testosterone, how that would impact me, how it would affect me, gave me all of that quantitative information, the numbers, the reality of what low testosterone would do to a man and how it would impact me in the long run for my health. So during those conversations, he built into me and instilled in me the confidence to give hormone replacement therapy a shot. So I began to do that about January or February of 2023. I weighed 250 pounds. Well, I don't want to exaggerate. It was 249.8 pounds at the time. And today I weigh in this morning at 222 pounds. I've had a body mass index drop from 29.6 to 23.4 based on my height and weight. I've seen an increase in my lean muscle mass, an increase in my energy, an increase in my ability to concentrate, the drive. Every area of my life has been improved. But you know, so many times people think that the conversation is just about testosterone, but it's so much more than that, because as he educated me on the process, what does it mean to have the correct levels of testosterone to be optimized in the system? What does it mean to have DHEA and vitamin D optimized? What does it mean to get the right amount of rest? What does it mean to eat right? How do we go about approaching our extracurricular activities, exercise? All of that puzzle began to put together, and it was life-changing for me. So if you want to talk to me about hormone replacement therapy, it is a passion of mine now, and I would love to have the opportunity to tell you more. I really deal with kind of the quality of life stuff, and I can tell you how your life can be better with hormone replacement therapy. So give me a call, click on the button below. We'd love to talk to you.